Hello fans, you're welcome to our channel for today. Today we'll be talking about how to mine Hamster Kombat, the strategies to mine Hamster Kombat and improve our earning value. Alright, before we continue, if you have not liked, subscribed or you know alright, before we continue, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel, like and also turn on the notification button so that you know when we release another video. Alright, let's head straight away to our Hamster Kombat interface. Alright, for us to head to what we are saying, I want to point out some certain things so that we have understanding of what we are talking about. So if you look at this section where my cursor is showing, you will see something that is written here on top of it. Say PPH, that's profit per hour, which means how much you make per hour. This is an auto mining system where the coin is mined for you by itself or by the robot. You don't need to tap as usual that you tap to make coins. No, but you allow the thing to tap for itself. If you look at my own, you can see it is reading. That's because it is working. So this is what we'll be talking about, how to increase it and how to make use of our cards well without allowing them to waste. Alright, so let's head to mine by clicking on the ask button or the mine. Then you see if we are in this interface, you will find out it is section by section. You see this one that is carrying the Hamster daily combo, where you have to unveil the cards to claim your combo. You find this one that is holding our coins, and this section where the cards are domiciled. Alright, but if you click on this sections where the card is domiciled, there are partition section by section. So this is arrow and theme section, and there are several cards here. So but our interest today is to look at these cards and see how we can use them to increase our profit per hour. Do you understand me? How we can use this card and increase our profit per hour. So if we critically look at this card, you see that all of them does not carry the same value or the same coin worth. Alright, so let's start with the first one, which is the CU. If you look at the profit per hour, it is at 1.58, whereas the coin to purchase it is 42.81. But look at one thing, if you click on it now, you can see that the profit per hour have decreased at almost at 200 and some fractions. So but that is not what they showed us here. Alright, so for you to buy or for you to use these cards, you should be able to look at these things when you want to buy. You check the profit per hour, because that is what matters. That is where the interest lies. Okay, so the more you have the one that has a higher profit per hour, so your value or your profit per hour value will increase. So if you buy these ones, it will more or less not making an impact and you are spending much coin buying it. Also, if you look at other ones, you can find out the same thing. So where this course or this tutorial lies is how to help you identify the cards that has higher PPH, so that you'll be able to mine and mine effectively. Alright, from now henceforth I will be using the word PPH in place of profit per hour. PPH in place of profit per hour. So when I use PPH, you know that I'm saying profit per hour. Okay, so let's scroll down a bit again. We'll find other cards. If you tap on this one, you also find that it's just 150, whereas the money is 3,000 coins plus. So you see the thing varies, it is not the same. And also the value, I will use profit, the PPH, as the value that you are having from the card that you are, or the coin you are spending your coin on. So the one with low PPH does not actually want you to spend your coin on. You also find some that are very expensive. When I use the word expensive, you spend much coin to bust them or to buy them. You find out that the PPH is small. That is only if you pay interest on that. If you don't pay interest, you will keep on burning your coins, and that's all. But today, I want you to understand that you have to um, do checks on it before you buy. All right, make sure you do not leave this video till the end. Don't watch and drop at halfway. We choose step by step on what you should do and ensure that you earn your profit per hour as it's supposed to be, and you don't waste your coin unnecessarily. So if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe. Thank you. As we proceed. All right, if you also go to market, you also find some cards and the same thing as it is in PR and theme. You find that some of the cards also has low PPH, whereas the money to purchase them is much. Let me use this one as an example. This shift coin, you see it is 69,000 coin plus, but the PPH is 1,000 plus. This one is even good. All right, so if you look at other ones, you also find out such a thing. This one is 3,000, then the PPH is 144. So these are the things you're supposed to look at before you buy, you spend your card on them. If you don't do it, you will just waste your cards and your coin just like that. So but if you come to legal, you find out that the PPH is higher at this legal section. Mostly when you come to this license Europe, license this and that, license this and that, these ones that has license, they have higher PPH. So if you want to buy, this is the ideal place you should buy. You buy from these ones that has PPH. You can see I've bought them so much that the price is now so high, up to millions from my own. So because I discovered the need to use them to increase my profit per hour, so I can just be sleeping and my coin will be mining at a go. All right, so when you want to buy, you make sure you use it. Like this one. If you look at this license Japan, you see it's saying here the PPH is 52,000 plus, whereas it's 7 million. So if you click on it, you see it's 6,000 something. So it's also a good deal for you to buy. If you click on India, you see the same. If you click on Indonesia, this one has 12,000 plus, which is a very strong, value that you cannot afford to waste. Another section that you have to pay interest on is the special section. You see that all these cards in the special section has high PPH value. All the cards in this section has high PPH value, so you also need to pay attention to them when you are buying and also make use of them to buy. Look at this one, it's just 700 and something coins, and it's about 4,000 profit per hour value. So you can buy them and use them to mine in your absence. Meanwhile, the benefit of this is that the mine help you to mine coins in your absence. And also Hamster Kombat have released a statement saying that the coins you have, which is this one, will not be used to determine how much the value of your earning. Like, it will not be used to when the coin is finally listed. It is this profit per hour that they will use to determine how much they will credit you or how much coin you have. So you see, if the more you have coin here, it doesn't make actual sense. It makes sense when you convert it to this one, and for you to convert it to this one, you need to buy these cards so that it will go. So this section and this section is the best section you can buy your cards. All right, let's go to the special section again. If you go to special section, you can see it has a subsection, and the first one you will see immediately click on this special section is my cards. And my cards is where this cards here is the one you have bought from new cards. Initially all these were at new card, so when you buy them they will come to my cards. And this subsection is, this one here is missed cards. As it is written on top, missed opportunity. There are cards that I was unable to buy. If you check your own, it might be so because you have missed some of the opportunities. And the thing is that these cards have higher potential value. Higher potential value. So if you have the opportunity of buying them, buy them. So as you are watching this video, I want you to, as you finish watching, just go to special, then my cards, then check the new cards and buy all of them that is there so that they'll become your card and you can use them at any time that you want to. Some of them expires and some of the higher value and bonuses attached to them. So these are the way you can improve your PPH by using your card or your coin wisely. You don't just buy, but you buy knowing fully well that the coin or the card you're about to buy or spend your coin on has a higher PP value. Let me rephrase again. If you click on it, make sure you check the value, the PPH value of the card. Sometimes the one you are seeing before you click is not what you will see when you click. So it will reduce. Like this one now is 35,000 plus, but if I click on it, it's just 5,000 plus. So some will have higher PPH value before you click on them, but when you click on them, you discover that so you need to look at these things before you buy, instead of, so that you will not look at the initial, then you buy without knowing that you have wasted your coin. Buying card that does not worth the amount you have spent to buy them. Alright, that is it for today. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel if you have not subscribed. If you have subscribed, hit the like button, drop your comments in the comment section. You can also share the video and also turn on the notification button. Make sure you turn on the notification button so that we'll receive notification when we release other videos. Thank you for watching and thank you for visiting our channel. We really appreciate your love. We really appreciate you viewing our content. Thank you so much. Until my way comes your way again. Stay cool and stay safe. Bye bye.